Hi, I'm Miss Susan from the Fountaindale Public Library, and today I'm going to show you one of our STEAMbox kits that we have available for checkout in the Children's Services Department. So when you get your kit home, you're going to want to get a pair of scissors to open the kit. It is secured with 2 zip straps. We prefer that you leave them zip strapped until you get home. And you just need a pair of scissors, and this is how we found, actually Miss Rosemary found a real easy way of getting them open. So it's kind of hard to cut it open like this, but if you start to cut with your scissors and then pull up while you're holding the box, they go snap like that and go flying. So you can get in here. We're going to do it again here. I'm going to kind of hold the box down, and there they go. So it's pretty easy to do with scissors. If you have wire cutters, use wire cutters, it'll be easier. Okay, so this kit is called a circuit maze kit in our library. That's what we call it. But it's actually a circuit maze, an electric current logic game. So it is a game. This is what's included in it. There are a lot of parts to it, but it's a lot of fun. So I'm going to show you that every kit's going to have what would you call it, a sheet that shows you what your inventory is in the box. So this is the game board or your circuit board. There's a pack of cards that has your challenges in it. You get a little booklet which gives you the instructions. It tells you about the different parts in here, and it gives you instructions on how to actually play the game, which is really cool. They talk about all sorts of things with circuitry and how to read the cards, the challenge cards that you're using. So this is a really good way of showing kids how a electrical current works and how a circuit can be made. Parallel circuits, it does everything in here. So that's our little instruction booklet. And then these are all the little pieces and parts that are in this kit. There's quite a few, but you're going to need them. So we're going to go through one of the challenge cards. I've already pre-picked one out so that we could, so I could show you how to do this. Now this is the card that I'm choosing. The cards in the deck have green ones, which is beginner. There's yellow, which is intermediate. Blue is, oh gosh, I can't remember what they say. Hold on. I know expert is red. So we got beginner, intermediate. What's that third one? Oh, advanced. The blue are advanced, and the red, which is the final stage, is expert. So there's plenty for kids to do to learn. And as I was saying earlier to somebody, it's a lot of fun even for me as an adult. I had a lot of fun with this one. So we are going to do this one, which is challenge number 2 in the beginner section. Now I'm going to set this up, and then I'll turn it so that you can see what I've done. So in this blue area, the circuit board, you're to set it up to look just like this. So we're going to do that, and then I'll show it to you. So this is basically setting up your game. So like if you were playing chess, you have to set up your game board first. So we do that. I'm putting all the parts, and I will show you this after I get these all on here. And then this one, and this is how you complete your circuit. This holds the batteries. So this is your positive, and this is your negative. Okay, so this is what the board is telling me, or the challenge card is showing me to set up. So this is how you start. You've got it all set up. Now, from this stage, the challenge card shows you what your challenge is. Let's see if I can hold it steady enough. In this, it shows a green, and it's lit up, so a light. It's a green light. That's what you're going to be trying to get at. The things that you get to add to your grid are right there. So it tells me one corner piece and one green piece. The green one is the light. And of course, we're trying to make a green light. So I grab the green light and I grab an additional corner piece, and that's my challenge. So I have to figure out how to put these on in that way. So this is where it starts, if you can see, but there's a connector right there. That's what we need to connect to get to here, and this bridges across that. So I'm going to try and put my first corner right there. So I'm going to try and do that and go around, and then you can see there's another part here to get to that. So I'm going to try and put the green light there. I would like it to light up. It didn't light up. Okay, so let's try the reverse. So let's put the green light there. Now remember, you only want to take out the two pieces that you're adding to your grid, because this is already in place. So I'm going to try it in the reverse. So I only have two options, basically, here and here. Well, let's see if that lights up. Yep, it lit up. So obviously, for some reason, it did not like being over here. It wanted to be over here. I am not sure why. I guess that's something I would have to learn. There's a lot in this booklet. I would assume that if I went through and I started doing all of these beginner cards and then started doing intermediate cards, and the more I did this, the more I played with this, I would be able to figure out why it works in certain places but doesn't work in others. That would be the purpose of using this. I think that's about it. Oh, one of the nice things I like about this is you can play it by yourself, or you could actually have a bunch of kids to play it, or mom and dad play with the kids. You can have multiple people, so you just pass it around and each of you get to be challenged by it. It does say ages 8 and up. For obvious reasons, you don't want a little toddler playing with this because it has little parts and there is batteries involved. Although I can touch all of this, I'm not getting zapped by anything. So it's, it's low voltage. It's not going to hurt anybody. But that's it for today, and I hope that you come and check one of our boxes out. We have boxes, all of our YA and our children's boxes are all here in the children's department. They are no longer kept separately. We have them all together. So if you have different aged kids and you want to find something to check out, come into the children's department and we'll set you up with a STEAMbox. Well, that's it for today. We'll see you soon at the library. Bye.